Buongiorno. Welcome to the channel, guys. I'm out today in Italy having me a nice Italy's cappuccino, croissant, chilling on the beach right here, down on the boardwalk, just enjoying the day. Just kind of wanted to come to Italy for the day, so that's what I'm doing. Enjoying it. Got the scooter, going for a ride. Trying to get some new adventures, so stay tuned, see what happens. I'm on a sunny day out here in the south of Italy. What a beautiful spot I am today. Just coming for a ride and just gonna check out, a little bit of this area, and never been here before. It's about 5 kilometers away from Ventimiglia, so it's on the border of South Italy, and it's a nice place to come and just go for a ride and see what I can see today. Look at that hotel, Paraghi. The Hotel Paraghi. Right here on the beach. I mean, it's perfect. Beautiful spot. Look at that hotel, man. Oh, it's fancy. And I mean, you can come and sit on the beach down here if you want. Yeah, I'm just out for a ride and just wanted to come to a different place that I've never been before. So, let's go have a look. Look at that beach. Wow, nice looking beach. Look at all the people sitting in the restaurants, enjoying that. I mean, what a view I got right here. Look at this pink hotel. That's pretty cool as well. Have a look at this spot up here. Nice little lookout spot. Guys, look at that. I'm telling you, that's a spot where you want to come and check out. Alright, have a look at this. All these people are just coming down here, just chilling in these little cabanas, things like that. I bet they pay big money to come and sit down here. Look at the guys having their food in the restaurant down here just below. But look at the color of that water today. Nice teal green over here. Got the darker blues over here. Palm trees, of course. Got the houses in the background here over the mountains. But let's have a look around here. Look, I see a church over here. Oh, look at the rocks over there. Oh, this is what I'm talking about. I like to come to places and check out new things. And today, I'm in a spot I've never been before in the south of Italy. And yeah, let's go check out this church. The Divo Ampello. I'm gonna park my scooter right here and just kind of walk in and see what it looks like. Wow. Now that is really cool. Look at how it's all the stonework. Just amazing. Wow. That's pretty cool to come and check out something like this all by myself. Nobody here. Wow. Beautiful little church at the Saint Ampello. I hope I'm saying that right. Oh, it says don't film. Okay. Well, that was really cool. But now, have a look at these rocks. Look at the formation of these rocks right here. Look at the little bridge right over here that someone has made. Like, wow, this is cool. What a nice little spot. Come have your lunch, something like that. But you can see these rocks are formed by the waves that crash. So let's say when they get a big storm, they come up around here, and it actually will create that sandstone look and have such a cool looking rocks right there. Nice little spot. Over there, the mountains of Italy. That's San Remo, just over there. So not far from San Remo. But me, I'm on the scooter and I'm going for a ride. Come on, man, look at that view. That is beautiful out here today. Look at the crazy looking tree. Palm trees. More palm trees. I love my palm trees. A little bit of surf today. Not much, but still pretty cool. This is where I just had my cappuccino and croissant at the Bar Eden, and what a great little spot to have a nice cappuccino. It's more of a local spot. Just another view of some of the beaches out here in Italy. Out here in the south of Italy. Look at the color of that water. Yeah. Now that is a cool looking ride. Narva, Road of the Spirits, 70th anniversary. That's nice. So, beautiful spot to come down to Spaghetti. Check out this pool right here. What? Come sit in the pool. Like, and the ocean is right behind it. Me, I don't understand that. Or you just come to the San Marco and come and have some food. A little bit of waves right here, but just wanted to show you how nice it looks down here on the beach. What I want to show you is the nice part of being out here in the south of Italy is you got all these nice spots where you can ride a scooter or ride a bike or take a walk. And I mean, you know, have a look at this. I mean, wow. Look at this bike path or boardwalk or whatever you want to call it. And the beach right there. I mean, oh, that's a nice looking spot. Not a lot of people down here. Surprising, right? Look at all that empty space on the beaches. I mean, wow. Let's go for a ride. Harki Beach. I just had to stop for a second just to kind of show you. I'm literally the only one on this boardwalk, and on a Sunday, and there's barely anybody on this beach. I'm telling you, the south of Italy is a perfect place to come if you want some peace and quiet and not all the people, and you can enjoy some of the most pristine waters, as you can see out here. And like, there's like nobody even in the restaurants here. I mean, yeah, it's a Sunday, so a lot of people don't do anything, but like, come for an ice cream, come for some French fries, whatever. But I mean, this place is perfect for it. I'm gonna go for a rip down this. You can have a look at some of the mountains here in the background, out here in the south of Italy. What a beautiful spot to come and check out, right? Let's go up here. Check out that view. Look at all the solar panels on top of that house. Holy. Let's go this way. Nice little bridge, a little bit of a river, nice little view in the background. Let's go for a ride. Let's go this way. Looks like a crab surfing. Andrea. Just a nice little drive on the scooter. There's a lot more people on the beach over here. And as you can see, nice little spot. Here's something you don't see too often on the beaches. You got somebody out here with a big blow up dinghy, and they're wanting to put it in the water. I mean, you got to get past that shore break wave, but yeah, I don't see them too often anymore. Everybody's got just the normal kind of things, but that is definitely a fun one for sure. Four of them on a paddleboard, all you need is one wave and knock them all down. Hey guys, I just want to say thanks for watching the video today. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm just chilling on the beaches down here, just going for a ride on my scooter, just enjoying the south of Italy today on a nice sunny day. If you guys are ever get a chance, come to the south of Italy, come to the beaches. You can see on a Sunday afternoon, it's not that crowded. Thanks for watching.